The A3500 features 5 program settings for smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, dips and spreads, and self-cleaning. A new programmable timer helps you create consistent recipes. It displays how long your blend has been running, how much time is left on your program setting, or stops the blender automatically when the time you've entered is complete. Add in variable speed control and pulse, and you can stretch your creativity with confidence. When it's time to wash up, the containers are self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. The sleek touchscreen panel easily wipes clean. Vitamix is the first to offer a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity. That means the machine reads each container and automatically adjusts blending times. So what are you waiting for? Grind, blend, create hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. Live a healthy life with flavor and gusto. The A3500 with a 10-year warranty. Part of the Ascent series from Vitamix.
What's up, foodies? I'm Kenna, and I want to introduce you to the TWISTi High-Speed Blender Duo. The TWISTi delivers the smoothest purees and finest blends of any Ninja blender thanks to the built-in twist tamper, high-speed blades, and powerful motor. This blender is built with a 1600 peak watt motor base and hybrid edge blades that power through tough ingredients like frozen whole fruits, nuts, seeds, and ice for smoother blends. So there's no need to stop, shake, or stir. The built-in twist tamper pushes ingredients down towards the high-speed blades. Twisting the tamper counterclockwise continuously while processing gives you deliciously thick smoothie bowls and nut butters. When making things like smoothies, frozen drinks, or even Chipotle mayo, the tamper is not necessary. The drizzle hole in the lid can be used to customize flavors and textures by adding ingredients while blending. This feature is a game changer. It eliminates having to stop the blender to add more liquids. You can also make all of your favorite blended drinks to go with the nutrient extraction cups. Just pop on the spout lid and you're ready to take a smoothie with you wherever you like. The TWISTi High-Speed Blender Duo is easy to assemble. Start by installing the blade assembly in the 34-ounce pitcher. You will also use this blade assembly if blending in the nutrient extraction cups. Install the pitcher on the motor base by aligning the tabs on the pitcher to the slot on the base. Rotate pitcher clockwise until it clicks into place. Next, install the lid by aligning the red tab to the right of the pitcher handle. Rotate the tab clockwise into the pitcher handle to align and lock into place. Once the pitcher and lid are correctly installed on the motor base, you will see the program buttons light up. There are 5 Auto IQ programs for one-touch extractions, smoothies, frozen drinks, spreads, and bowls. When creating any of your favorite drinks, use the Extract, Smoothie, and Frozen programs. For spoonable outputs, use the Spread and Bowl program. There are also 2 manual programs, Pulse and Start Stop, which will run continuously for up to 60 seconds. This is great for customizing your blended favorites to your desire. Looking for recipe inspirations or have questions? Go and visit us at ninjakitchen.com and join the official Ninja Foodie family community on Facebook.
With the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo, not only can you create your favorite perfectly blended drinks like smoothies and frozen drinks, but you can also create thick, spoonable textures at home, like creamy smoothie bowls, nut butters, ice cream, and more. The Power Nutri Duo comes with this 1200 peak watt base, which is extremely compact and fits great on my countertop. A 24-ounce Power Nutri cup and spout lid for creating smooth, blended drinks like smoothies, extractions, and frozen drinks like margaritas. A 14-ounce Power Nutri bowl with a built-in power paddle and storage lid. Using this bowl, you can create things like smoothie bowls and nut butters. And with the help of the power paddle, you're able to power through frozen ingredients with less liquid as you push them down toward the blade while blending. And these hybrid edge stainless steel blades, which can be interchanged between the Power Nutri cup and the Power Nutri bowl. And lastly, a recipe guide for added inspiration to get you started. The Power Nutri Duo is powered by Smart Torque, designed for heavy ingredients. This means you don't have to worry about stalling, stirring, or shaking as you blend, giving you the flip the spoon worthy results every time. The Power Nutri Duo also has Auto IQ technology. Select one of the 4 programs included and the machine will control the motor speed, length of program, and unique pausing and pulsing patterns to ensure you get the perfect result every time. You will see there are 2 Power Cup Auto IQ programs and 2 Power Bowl Auto IQ programs. When using the Power NutriCup, select either of the Power Cup programs, Smoothie or Extract. Use Extraction when making a recipe like a green smoothie that has lots of greens, nuts, and seeds. When using the Power NutriBullet, select either of the Power Bowl programs, Bowl or Spread. Bowl is perfect for making smoothie bowls and frozen treats like frozen yogurt and blender ice cream. Spread should be used when making nut butter, purees, and dips. In addition to Auto IQ, the Power NutriDuo also includes 2 manual programs, the Start and Stop button to run on high speed, and Pulse if you want more control over what you're blending. If you're looking for recipe inspiration or have questions, join the official Ninja Foodi family community on Facebook and visit us at ninjakitchen.com.